evening, good afternoon, good morning. I don't know where you are watching this video. I want to guide you out. You can see this particular image. So I'll guide you how they put this design inside this. So I'll guide you how they put it inside, and I will guide you how we remove the background, put the text. So you can use it for your social media offline. So get it. Further ado, let's jump to the video. So this is the stock image I want to use. So you can use a different one. So let's go to the videos. I don't know, but today is first time I'm watching my video. My name is Samson. My YouTube channel is a white scientific brand. So if you're the first time you're watching my video, kindly like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you don't understand. So you can tell me what do you want from me I should do for my next video. So let's go and let's jump to the video. Don't forget to turn the notification bell, so you will be the first person to notify when I post video like this. So the first thing you want to do is let's remove the background about this fish. So you can use rasterize it first. Rasterize it. This is our interface. You can use any size. You don't depend on the size that you want to use. So this is our image. This particular image tutorial is telling about how you can put your design into the phone, the guide that whole phone, so that you can put it in Photoshop. So let's go. The next thing to do is let's use our magic tools. You can use our magic tools for this. Let's check it first. I think it's not giving one accurate. Let's go back. Let's use this one first. I think this is not right. So the next thing we want to do is let's use our magic tools, magic finger tools. You can see it here like this. You click on it. I think this is not giving accurate. So the next thing we want to do here is let's use our, you go to your select. So click on it like this. You can see it. I think the subjects give the accurate that we need. So one thing I will tell my students that when you are doing magic tools or you are moving background, be noted that be vigilant to all things you are doing. Check the edge very well. Check the edge very well so that the edges will be very accurate. So you can see this place is not giving you accurate. So use your polygon tools. Hear me right? Polygon tools. So do it like this. So you just do the edge. If you made a mistake, press backspace. Backspace. So you click in here like this. So you just add to the place that is not aligned very well. So the next thing is to do is, you can see the hair is showing some camping and everything. So we want to use your layer mask. So we want to check everything. So double click on the layer mask here like this. You can see it. I just show you how the powerful of this thing is working. I'm going to show you how it works. You can see it's very accurate. You don't need to do something. Okay, let's do this particular thing. You can see it. So let's go back, Ctrl Z. So I think let's press OK. I just checked it, so we will do the needful. What we want to do here. is that, let me bring the background, this particular background. So you can use any background. So I think I'll draw this stock image. So these videos, sorry about that, just telling about the how to put your design when you are doing social media, when you are doing social media design like this. So you know that you need some stock image. So you just forget, use your convert to smart objects. That's it. I think I don't like this background. Let's use the red background. So red background. I think red background will give us the accuracy that we want in this video. So that's it. I think this is great. This is fine. So I will show you. Let me show you how you can do this in Photoshop. So you click on the particular design and let's use a magic model tools that we use there. I think you can see it's not giving all the accurate that we want. We press Ctrl Z. So next thing you want to do is, normally it can be like this, but the next thing I want to do is that I can use my pen tools. So I can use my pen tools. Sorry about that. So you can see it. Just be skill your hand on it. You press, you hold your Alt to add to another one. So you can see it. So you stretch it like this. Let me zoom it very well to see what I'm doing. You can see the picture is not sharp enough. So we will do that in this video too. Sharpen it well. These are our main. Ctrl Z, we made a mistakes. Hold Ctrl to adjust it. Hold Ctrl when you want to adjust. Hold Ctrl like this. You can see it. Just to align it very well. One thing I like about the pen tool is that it gives us the accurate. Sorry about that. You will be accurate. So hold your Ctrl again to correct this side. You can see it. That is the powerful the control. So you click here again, hold your Alt again. So to do the rest. You can see it. I think I can use pen tools to do this thing, but I think because of because this design is not plain white. So I'll show you another safe trick. So I'll just show you the particular way. You can see it. Just play around. Sorry about that. I like pen tools very much because it gives you the good results. Although it can be stressful sometimes, but it gives you good results. So I'll show you the advantage of this. So I'll show you the one that is not with design. So I'll show you. You can see it. So I'll show you. Just be patient and do it gently. Pencil is one of the best. So it's one of the best. Don't rush. Don't rush. You can see the control. I just put the control to correct your adjustments. So the next thing you want to do is okay, let me check again. I think it's not accurate here. you check again. So hold your control. Can see it. So next thing you want to do is so you hold control, recruit and enter your keyboard. You can see it. So you can, it's not finished yet. So you create a new layer here, create a new layer. So you go out to your polygon tools like this, right click again, you see fill. You can see fill. So let it load like this. So you see the color, you click on the color, so you pick the color that you want. I think white is okay for us. You can use any color that you want. So white is okay for me. So I'll just press OK. So to do the needful, you can see it. You can see how this one is very well. So this particular layout and plain white like this, you can put any of your design on it. So what you want to do is that you press Ctrl D to deselect, or you right click here. You right click here like this, or you go back to your selection, select, you see Ctrl D, you deselect it, and that's fine. So you can see it. So let me go and bring one design. Let me check the design that we can use it to test it very well. So you see what I'm talking about. Sorry about that. I don't want this video to be long. Just show you how you can do this. You can see it, how you can do this. So let me bring this particular design on it. So you can see it. You scale it like this. Scale it like this. So you right click again, you see create a clip mask. The shortcut is Alt plus Ctrl plus G. That is the shortcut. So you click on the clip mask. Okay, so you can see the advantage of doing this downward first. So this is how you can do it. So you stretch it to the fitted. Although I have to design the side of the phone, but I just this to a particular video just to show you how you can do it for next time. You want to do social media design that you want to put without even there is a mock-up that you can download, but I think this will be helpful for those of you that want to do just know that the stress to be searching, so something like that. So this is the advantage you can do. You can see it. These are so let's see what to do. Let me show you how you can make this picture to sharp very well and put text. So you know what I'm talking about in this video. So let me go out to filters. You see camera filters. So you want to put some touch on this picture. You can see it. Zoom it very well. You can give it a little bit exposure. Don't do too much. A little bit exposure. You can increase your contrast. Go back to your effect here. You increase your texture, increase your clarity. Don't do too much. Increase your clarity. So you go back to your details. You scroll down like this. Scroll down like this. You see your details. You see sharp. Increase your sharp. And increase your noise window reduction. So you get more, it's not too much. You can see, you can just press OK. Nothing much. Press OK. You can see it changed the entire picture. It changed it completely. So let me on this. You can see this is the before, this is the after. You can see. So this is how you can do that. You can see the particular one. So you can see it. So the next thing you want to do is this is how I achieve it. Let's put some text on it. So put some text on it. You can see. Let me write how to let me write some text there so you can know what I'm talking about. That's it. So that's it. How to keep marks. Click marks on the phone design. On the full stock image. So you can see it. That is what image all about. You can see it. This is how you can do it. So I think that one is fine. Let's close it like this. So we can use any color. Let's use the color that we want to use here. So let's do this one. Can turn it to black. Can turn it to black. So give more clarity on it. So can play around on it. So these are it is works. So let me bring another. Let's close this one. Let me bring another. So let me bring another image. Let me bring another image. Check it very well. You can see this particular play image. So I'll show you the difference with a man holding phone without design, and a man holding phone with design. So this is without design. This is plain white. So this is how magic tool can work. So just do what you want to do is rasterize this. Go back to magic tools and click on this white background. You hear me right? Click on this. Let me zoom it. Click on this white background. Click on it. You can see you don't need to use the pencils again. This one is giving you accurate what you want. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. So let's see. First press Ctrl J. You can see it. Ctrl J. That one is giving us the layer already. So next thing, let me bring one particular design. Let me use this picture for example. So you can see it. Let me keep my axis. So you can increase it like this. So that is how you can do it. For any you want to do like social media or something like, so this is how you can achieve that. So thank you for watching my video. So if the first time you're watching my video, my name is Samson. My YouTube channel name is White with Vivid Ground. So if this video was very hard value to you and it was helpful to you and you know a lot of things about this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video like this. So thank you very much. So have a nice day.